ma'am. Have you heard about it? No. Moving on to the next one. Our school chess prodigy Pragnananda.
Definitely. I've seen him compete also.
Our famous actor Vijay ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you so much ma'am.
We've all seen the medal tallies, and we definitely know there's a huge scope of improvement. There's one thing that's different that I've seen in India and other nations is that they start from a very young age. They take children from a very, very young age, and in our culture, our country, it's more like the interests of the kids. And then when they eventually want to start, when they want to start or take a career, they then initiate. Then the parents also support. Then the government comes in the picture once they're starting to do good. I think that kind of program needs to be more prominent in our country to be able to actually do even better and win more medals.
So we'll keep it only.
We have seen such protests of things before.
So when we talk about women, I would say that women are like 50% of almost 50% of the population of our country, and I think the basic right for any human being would be the right to freedom, the right to liberty. I think we should all do what we all can do to actually help and make the society even better for women. We all are aware of certain problems or certain situations that are actually very prominent in our society, and we need to do something to eliminate all of that. And I think it cannot be done by just one event or just if one person says something that we'll do something against it. I think it's a duty of every person to do something in accordance to actually see the difference. We all need to step up, and we all need to do what we all can do. So.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, this event and the press meet is for Velaman Excellence and Scholarship, sir. Let's keep the question to it. Please avoid controversy questions, sir. Requesting, sir. Humble request, please, sir.
How do you see the many there says behind the Vinesh Phogat disqualified? What do you think about that?
Sorry?
Many says there are political reasons in that Vinesh Phogat disqualification.
So
what do you think
about
that?
How do you see the shooting progression for India? This time we won 3 medals in the shooting, but there is another side of it. We have 21 athletes first time participation in the World Race. The shooting is always been expectations for India to win more medals. How do you see the progression from this year?
I think when it comes to shooting as a sport in India, we have a huge potential, and we have so much of talent in our country. For shooting especially, I can talk. So, I mean, if we put in more resources and more efforts into shooting, I think even better can be, the results can be improved. And we finished 3 medals and 3 bronzes. So I think we can do it even better in the future. But the efforts and the kind of resources that we put behind shooting, and like the junior programs, or how we take athletes from a very young age, I think all that needs to be started, and all that needs to be very persistent. So it cannot be like one Olympics we are getting 3 medals, last Olympics the performance was not up to the mark. This Olympics people performed really well. I think we are on the way of progression, but we still can do many things to improve it even further. We can take it even further.
What's your opinion on Vinesh Phogat issue? Simple.
So I would say that she's like an elder sister to me. I've always known her since I was a child, and all I can say is that I've always known of her as a fighter. She has this fighter spirit, and I am sure that she's capable of dealing with stress or dealing with anything that comes her way in a very good manner. And she has carried herself really well. All these days I've watched her bouts also, and I would say that she has a really good fighting spirit and she will keep going on.
Many said there are political reasons behind the disqualified.
So I don't know about that, so I'm sorry.
Sir, last question, sir. Last question, sir. Last question, sir. Last question, sir. Delhi. Last question, sir.
So I will be taking a break because it's been 8.5 years that I was not able to take a break. So now I have decided to give my my shoulder a little rest. So I'll be taking 3 months break, and after that I'll be starting again. But competing I'll start after 4-5 months. Yeah.
Do you think that political...
Sir, last
Thank
question,
you.
sir. Last question.
Just one last question, please. We have to.
Like you started your career at the age of very young. So grassroots is very important. So how do you feel like you thought this is Olympics at 2013 you have launched it. So what do you think how grassroots development is important? We can see more schools doesn't have a proper ground, proper facilities for infrastructure. So how do you look at this?
So I can discuss with you, I can tell you all that my journey started from my school, Universal School, and when I see initiatives like such, like Vellamal School has come up with this 2032 program, and I've known so many chess prodigies from the school. So I would say it's a very good step, and in order to motivate our kids, in order to excel in sports, I think it needs to be started from a very young age. And how the schools are taking it now, I think we do have long way to go, but I think somewhere we have to start, and this start I'm sure will give us many athletes, many promising athletes, I'm sure, and let's all support our athletes, let's all cheer for them, and definitely grassroots things are very important. When a child is like 10-12 years old, the grasping power of the child is very high, and you can mold the child in any way. So that's how I believe that once we put resources and once we have the faith in youngsters, they can actually do really good.
So this question to you,
Thank you.